Ay, takot siya mamatay. Uri, takot siya mamatay si mami. Oh, nana. Because she always fight. Uri. No, she's scared. She's scared. You don't want mommy to die? Uri, so, love niya si mami. Uri. Love niya si mami. Love niya si mami niya. Diri. Hug mo. Because I love you. Because I love you. No, I'm not bad. You don't want mommy to die? Why mommy is bad? What? It's my fault? Why mommy's fault? Are you joking you? Mommy is dying? Hindi, saba daw kay joke ko siya na dying na daw ako.